The AG says he is into this media circus because he doesn't want to be referred to as an incompetent Attorney General because he wasn't an incompetent lawyer. Please, Mr. Attorney General, competent AGs don't prosecute their cases in the court of public opinion. Competent AGs prosecute their cases in the court where evidence are subject to street proof. In criminal trials, he has a responsibility to prove his case beyond reasonable doubt. This is where you go. Put the evidence before the court. Let the lawyers of the other parties scrutinize the evidence. If it stands the test of time and the court pronounces them guilty, so be it. Why do we bring the evidence to the media for just this media circus to destroy the image of people even before they get a chance to open their defenses? As a people, we must rise up against this challenge. In the case of the Bafasok CEO, the Attorney General referred to his investigation in a very sensational manner, calling it Rumble in the Jungle, certainly to create the impression of the guilt of the accused person in the case. Why does he call them lawless looters? Why does he call them, quote, criminal enterprise, people engaging in criminal enterprise, unquote? If I may ask, ladies and gentlemen of the media, how many of you, and I need a very fair answer from you, how many of you don't think that Hanan Abdul Wahab and his wife, Fazia Said Wuni, are guilty of all the charges against them, even before they open their defense in the court? How many of you don't think that they are guilty? How many of you, maybe after that you can give me the answers. How many of you don't think that Chamadun to me is guilty of all the charges against him? How many of you don't think that he's guilty? Even before he opens his defense in court, how many of you don't think that Wuntumi is guilty? How many of you, my brothers and sisters in the media, or our friends who are listening, family members listening or watching us, how many of you don't think that Gifty Oware and Mr. Osesibi are guilty even before they get the opportunity to open their various defenses? If you are listening to me, you have already pronounced them guilty. You believe in the guilt of Osesibi and Gifty Oware. Why do you think that they are guilty? I want you to ask yourself. You think they are guilty because the Attorney General has successfully pushed that agenda, violating our constitutional provision.